My name is Jamie Bacon, and this is my technology integrated lesson. Okay, this lesson is for second grade, and the duration is about an hour. I would have this on the projector as the students come in and they can take out their device and then click on the link. Here's the lesson summary, and what we're going to do is find and examine the moral in the classic folk tale of Stone Soup. These are the learning objectives and standards, the materials needed, and then we would go over the key terms of what a fable, folk tale, and a moral is. The first activity is going to be a Padlet activity. It's going to already be on the right-hand side of their screen for the slide, so they're not going to have to type in a URL. If for some reason it doesn't show up on their screen, they can actually click it and it'll direct them right to it. The Padlet activity is examples of folk tales or fables that they already may know, and then we're going to add it by clicking the plus. I already have an example of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. We'll discuss what happened in the story and what the moral was. I would have them silently follow along as I read aloud the story Stone Soup. Then I'm going to offer an opportunity to think, pair, and share. They're going to think about what the moral of the story is, why they think that, what key details and ideas tell them that. They're going to discuss it with their seat partner. And then on the Padlet, on the Pear Deck, it's going to ask them if they feel comfortable sharing their thoughts out loud, and they'll say yes or no. Based off that, I can ask them what they thought the moral was. A stretch break. And then for the guided practice, they're going to be able to read Stone Soup again with a partner taking turns. And then we're going to fill out the seesaw activity. It's already going to be on their screen. Whoops. Hold on. There we go. It's already made for them. We're just going to discuss, beginning, middle, end, what the moral was. We'd fill it out together. It should take about 15 minutes. Gonna ask them how they are feeling, and then they can put it in the Pear Deck. They're going to review the key terms we discussed by drawing a line from the term to the definition. Then they're going to take this quizzes. Again, it's going to be right in front of them. And it's just a fun quizzes about the story, some questions about the story and terms. For this activity, they're actually going to click the link and then add the join code. And what they're going to do, since now they had opportunities to read the story 2 or 3 times, they're going to record themselves discussing Stone Soup and recounting what the moral of the story is. For homework, I'm going to have them read The Boy Who Cried Wolf, and then it's going to be the same thing. They're just going to answer some questions about the story. At the very end, Pear Deck's going to ask them how they are feeling, and they're going to circle how they are feeling about what they learned today. And that is it. Thank you so much.